Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel. Leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share it to your friends. And with that said, let's get on with the review, and thanks for watching. The LED lights are shipped within a brown cardboard box with the Neewer logo in black letters on it. Very basic packaging material, but good enough to get safely delivered. Included in the box there are 2 USB lights, 2 mini adjustable tripod stands, 2 white diffusers and the color filters. The Neewer USB LED lights are built from plastic and other synthetic materials. They're definitely strong and rigid enough to survive over time and are sturdy enough for day-to-day usage. From a general standpoint, the build quality is what you pay for. It's cheaply made, but I personally care more about the performance and brightness of the lights as compared to the strength of this product. I love the brightness control on the USB cable. It has an on and off button with adjustable brightness. It's really quick and easy to use. Portability is another major factor that I love. I'm able to plug these lights into my power bank and I'm set, meaning that I can technically use these lights anywhere. This kit came with 6 filters for the lights. 2 red, 2 yellow, and 2 blue filters. Sized specifically to fit the casing of the lights. Each filter fit and worked perfectly. The stands that came with this kit are a different story altogether. They are not sturdy at all and are very cheaply made. The tripod that is to be screwed into the bottom of the stand is made of a very cheap plastic, and the 3 legs are not even close to being level. The saving grace for the stands is that it includes 2 ball heads for the stands that have some weight to them. The ball is made of a sturdy metal and feels very strong. The tripod stand is adjustable from 18 cm to 116 cm with the extension stick. The tripod is great at the lower height levels, but after being extended to the maximum height, the lights start to feel top-heavy and like they're about to fall over. These are only just some very minor complaints I have about this product. The performance and brightness of the lights severely outweigh the tripod quality. Even with my disappointment with the quality of the stands, I am very impressed with the value of this package. I will use these lights as accent lights or maybe even to backlight a subject. In a pinch, the lights are a high enough quality where I could use them as a main light for a subject. So the answer is yes, this product is worth it. Even without the coupon, I believe that the Neewer 2 packs dimmable 5600K USB LED video light with adjustable tripod stand has quality lights and is worth the price. Thank you for watching. Please consider supporting my YouTube channel by clicking subscribe, like, share and comment.